What happens when you connect Claude AI with Canva? In today's video, I am going to show you something really cool. What happens when you connect Claude AI with Canva? Welcome back. If you are new here, I am a Krishna Canva Ambassador, Canva Creator and Corporate Trainer who helps marketing teams to use most out of Canva. We are going to create a full brand from scratch using Claude AI, a social media agency called Pulse Social Co. and use Claude to generate ready-to-use designs inside Canva. Social media post, pitch deck, a flyer, even a logo, all without starting from blank canvas. If you have ever started a project with blank canvas and you had no idea where to start, and if you are someone who want to learn how AI can be used in designing, then don't miss out this video. Alright, let's get into it. Before we go to Canva, we are going to talk about Claude AI first. Think of a Claude like a very smart helper. You tell it what you want and it helps you make it happen in Canva. If you don't know what Claude is, don't worry. It's just an AI tool like a chat assistant. You type it and it does the work for you. Let's start with the first thing, that is download and install the Claude AI in your system and open it. Then we need to connect Claude AI with Canva. This is the one-time setup. Just go here, click on plus connectors and select search for Canva is now connect, and you can connect from here. That's it. Now Claude can talk to Canva for us. So let's go back to Google Doc and copy the prompt and use in Claude AI. I will be sharing all this document in the description box. Remember, a prompt is just you are telling Claude what to make. I am going to say make a 4-slide Instagram carousel for social media agency called Pulse Social Co. Then I will tell it what each slide should say. Slide 1, a bold headline. Slide 2, 3 and 4, one service, one on each slide with a short benefit. I am also telling it colors to use and the style I want. The more details you give, the better it turned out. Okay, I'm going to hit send now. Watch what happens. Claude is reading our instruction and it is now talking to Canva for us. You will see it working in just a few seconds. This is the part that always amazes me. We wrote one prompt and Claude is now building the whole design. It's normal to take, if it takes 10 to 20 seconds, Claude is doing a lot of work behind the scenes. So just wait and watch. Now click on open in Canva. Here is the great thing. This is still normal Canva design. So if you want to change any word, just click on it and type. If you want to different colors, click on the color box and pick a new one. Claude gave us a strong starting point, but we are still in control. We can change anything we want anytime. Do not be afraid to change things after Claude makes them. That is whole point. Claude saves you time and then you make it perfect. Now we are going to make full presentation, 6 slides for Pulse Social Co. This is the kind of deck you show to a new client when you want them to hire you. Let's build it. A pitch deck is just a short presentation that tells someone about your business. Think of it as your business story in slide. Write in detail the brand name, the audience and the color. Second, the list of all 6 slides. Cover problem, solution, services, result and call to actions. That's it. When you give Claude a clear list like this, it knows exactly what to put on each slide. Look at this, 6 slides all done. Cover slide, problem, solution, services, results and a final call to action. Same colors, same font, same clean style. This would take a long to build by hand. Claude did it from one prompt in a few seconds. Now let's make a flyer. This is something you can send on WhatsApp, share by email or even print and give to someone. Super useful for any businesses. I am going to use flyer prompt from the document. Again, I will add prompt document in the description. I am going to tell Claude 3 things. 1, the brand name and color. 2, what the flyer is prompting, which is our growth bundle package with its price. 3, a call to action at the bottom. This would take long time, build from scratch. Claude make it in second. And here it is, a full flyer ready in Canva. Headline at the top, services in the middle, price, call to action at the bottom, brand colors throughout. And if you want to change anything, just click and edit right here in Canva. Okay, last one, and this is my favorite. We are going to make a logo. We'll follow the same process, copy the logo prompt and use in the Claude AI. And look at that. We have a logo with our brand name, our color and clean modern logo. If you don't like, then you ask for more variation. You can see different variations here. If you like anyone, just click and open in Canva. Edit it right here in Canva like normal. Easy, right? I hope this video showed you how easy it can be. Give it a try. I promise you will be surprised.